imagine you are trying to research something but aren't allowed to use the internet. What are you going to do? You have a deadline and your teacher does not play nice. The solution? You need to go to the place where dreams come true. This place is the herald of knowledge, the courier of words, the library. With only days left to finish your 20-page essay arguing whether or not music was used to subdue dinosaurs by cavemen, you go check out a book. Step 1. Learn the sorting system. With no internet, you must rely on an ancient system of sorting, the Dewey Decimal System. You have two options: either idly search around until you stumble across it, or you could take advantage of the school-supplied librarian services. If you chose option 1, congrats! You've headed down a wonderful road to failure. If option 2 is chosen, good choice. With a plethora of knowledge, he guides you to where the decimal system lies. Step 2. Find your book. Now that you know how to find your ideal book, you must locate it. Music has its own section at 780. Choose a book and quickly read it front to back to confirm this book is perfect to pull information from. If it isn't your ideal book, just choose another one. Repeat this step several times until you find a perfect book. While it might be a huge waste of time, you might learn several things about Mozart's life and his autobiography you just finished reading through. Time might be precious, but knowledge is invaluable. Step 3. Accessing the school checkout link. Now you've selected your research tome, you must check it out. But what's this? The self-checkout website isn't up? Simple problems, simple fixes. Simply follow the steps on the self-checkout sign. Step 4. Checking out your book. Click the checkout button to start the checkout process, then enter your lunch number. Not nuclear launch codes, please don't make this mistake. Once entered, scan the barcode on your ideal book. Scanning anywhere else won't work and will be utter waste of precious time. If an error message pops up, please go consult the school-provided librarian to assist you, because time is precious and essays don't write themselves. After successfully checking out your book, click Reset to clear your information from the screen. Failing to do so could inadvertently have other people check out items in your account. This is not an ideal circumstance because no one likes to own money for books they don't even have. You don't want students at this early. And after doing all of this, you successfully checked out a book. After doing research, you were able to prove that music wasn't used to subdue dinosaurs, considering humans weren't even around when dinosaurs were alive. Or if it barely dodged a crisis and almost being your essay, you successfully checked out a book.